The U.S. Department of Defense continues to redeploy forces to the Middle East. On 24 October 2023, F-16 Fighting Falcon fighter jets arrived in the region. The Pentagon decided to move more forces to the Middle East after Hamas terrorists attacked Israel in early October. On Tuesday, U.S. Central Command announced the arrival of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. A week ago, the U.S. deployed F-15E Strike Eagle fighters and A-10 Thunderbolt II attack aircraft to the Middle East. In addition, the USS Gerald R. Ford Strike Group, which remains in the eastern Mediterranean, includes several squadrons of F/A-18 Super Hornet.